Do you think Canva is the best tool for creating digital products? Think again. If you're tired of competing in an oversaturated market and want to create high-value premium infographics, reports, and business visuals that sell for higher prices, then it's time to discover Vengage. In this video, I'll show you why Vengage isn't just an alternative. It's a powerful profit-boosting tool that can help you sell digital downloads, offer top-tier design services, and build a standout personal brand. Let's get started. So, let's talk about how Vengage stacks up against Canva. Canva is great for quick and simple social media graphics, but when it comes to professional, data-driven designs, Vengage is the clear winner. Business-focused designs versus social media graphics. Vengage specializes in infographics, business reports, and pitch decks. These sell for a higher price than Canva's basic templates. Canva is more for social media posts, which have lower demand in professional markets. Data visualization and smart templates. Vengage offers advanced data visualization tools, making it easy to create professional reports. Canva's charts and data options are limited and don't offer the same professional appeal. Higher monetization potential. Businesses, consultants, and marketers charge $100 to $500 per project on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Create and sell business reports on Etsy or Creative Market. Digital reports made with Vengage can be sold as premium downloads. Canva templates usually sell for much less price, typically $5 to $20, making it harder to scale earnings. So, if you want to create designs that actually make money, Vengage is the tool you should be using. Now, let's go hands-on and create a professional infographic in Vengage in just a few minutes. To create stunning infographics, reports, and business visuals, head over to www.vengage.com. This is where all the magic happens. If you have been using Canva for everything, you're about to see why Vengage is a better option, especially for business reports, infographics. Now, before we jump into designing, let's quickly go over Vengage pricing plans, because knowing what's available will help you pick the best option for your needs. Vengage offers 3 main plans, depending on what you need. First, there's the free plan. This is great if you just want to explore the platform. It lets you create up to 5 designs, use basic icons and widgets, and upload up to 6 images. But there's one catch: your designs can only be shared publicly. Next, we have the premium plan, which costs $10 per month, billed yearly. If you're a freelancer, student, or solo creator, this plan is perfect. You get unlimited designs, high-resolution exports, private sharing, premium icons, and up to 50 image uploads. Plus, you get email and chat support, so if you ever run into issues, help is available. Finally, there's the business plan, which costs $24 per month and is billed yearly. This is for professionals and teams who need advanced features like PDF and PowerPoint exporting, brand kits, team collaboration, password-protected designs, business templates, and up to 1,000 image uploads. If you're planning to sell your designs as premium business products, this is the best option. And if you need something even more advanced, Vengage also offers a custom plan, which you can tailor based on your business needs. So now that we know the pricing, let's sign up and get started. To create an account, click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You'll see a simple registration form where you can enter your email and create a password. If you want to make things quicker, you can also sign up using your Google account. Since I've already created an account, I'll skip this step and take you straight to the dashboard. Once you log in, you'll land on the Vengage dashboard. Let me give you a quick tour. At the top, you'll see a menu where you can browse different templates. On the left side, there's a menu where you can access your saved designs and templates. But the most important section here is Manage Brand. If you've used Canva's brand kit, this works in a similar way. Here, you can upload your logos, fonts, and brand colors to keep all your designs consistent. Another great thing is that on the homepage, you'll see quick access tabs for reports, infographics, charts, and HR documents. You don't have to spend hours searching, just click on the type of design you need, and you'll get tons of ready-to-use templates. All right, now I'll show you how to create infographics and business reports using Vengage templates. But before we get started, I want to introduce Venngage Design AI, which sets this tool apart from others. With its powerful features, you can create stunning designs in just seconds. Let me show you how to use Venngage AI and create some magic. First, let's navigate to the Design AI tab. This is where Venngage AI will generate a design for you based on the prompt you provide. Once you're in the AI tab, click on it to start the process. Next, you'll need to enter your design request. For example, if you want to create an infographic for the digital marketing process, simply type that into the text box. Then, click Generate. Venngage Magic AI will take a few moments to process your request, and in just a few seconds, it will create your design. If for some reason you're not happy with the design that AI generated, don't worry, you can easily click the Regenerate button to get a fresh design. This gives you a new version of the design that may better suit your needs. Here's the regenerated design, which looks much better, right? Once you have a design you like, click on Customize Design. This will open the design in Vengage Editor, where you can make changes to it. Now that you're in the Vengage Editor, let's go through the side menu. Here's what each tab does. Templates. This is the first option in the side menu. Here, you can browse through different pre-designed templates for your infographic or report. Elements. The next tab is for elements. Here, you'll find things like videos, GIFs, QR codes, checklists, quizzes, labels, and forms that you can add to your design. These elements are perfect for making your infographic more interactive and engaging. Text. Next up is the Text tab. In this section, you'll find various text styles like headings, subheadings, and body text. Shapes and lines. After elements, there's the Shapes and Lines tab. This allows you to add shapes like rectangles, circles, arrows, and more. You can use these shapes to organize your design or highlight specific sections. Icons. The next tab is the Icons tab. Here, you can browse a huge library of icons. Icons are great for adding visual appeal to your design and making it look more professional. Images. The Images tab lets you upload your own images and add them to your design. Charts. The next tab is for Charts. This is where you can add all kinds of charts to your report or infographic. You'll find bar charts, pie charts, line charts, and more. Maps. Finally, there's the Maps tab. If you need a map for your design, you can find maps of any country here. Now that you know what each tab does, you can easily navigate the editor and make the changes you need to create a stunning design. Now, let's start editing the design a bit to make it look even better. First, I'm going to remove the background rectangle from the design, as it doesn't quite fit. Then, I'll change the font color to white to make the text stand out more against the background. Next, I don't like the current font, so I'm going to change it to Poppins font, which has a cleaner look. I'll also change some of the other fonts to Roboto to make the design more modern and consistent. I'll also replace the icon here. But before that, I will also replace the icon text with Roboto fonts. Now let's add the new icon to our infographics. To do this, I'll go to the Icons tab, search for an icon that fits better with the design, and add it. Icons help make your design more recognizable and engaging, so picking the right one is important. Let's now make a few final adjustments. I'll add an outlined rectangle behind the text to make it stand out more. First, I'll choose the rectangle shape, then move it to the back of the text. After that, I'll remove the fill color and just use an outline with a white stroke. I'll also make the outline dotted and set the stroke width to 2 to give it a subtle, modern look. Once that's done, I'll adjust the position of the rectangle to make sure it aligns perfectly with the text. Finally, I'll adjust the text placement and font to make sure everything looks neat and professional. Once you're happy with how your design looks, it's time to download it. To do this, click Share in the top right corner, then go to Downloads. You'll have the option to choose the file type, such as PNG, JPEG, or PDF, depending on what you need. And that's how easy it is to create infographics using Venngage AI. You can quickly create professional designs that are perfect for selling or sharing with clients. The best thing, Vengage offers a simple AI design tool that you can access at www.vengage.com/AI tools. Just type your prompt to get AI-generated designs. Plus, if you scroll down, you'll find 40+ free AI generators for different design needs. Now I will show you how to create business report using Vengage templates. So first, head up to the Templates tab at the top of the screen. Once you're there, you'll see a bunch of templates you can choose from. On the side, you'll also find filters. You can browse the available options or directly choose a template from the category. Since I'm making a business report, I'm going to choose that category. Once you do that, you'll see a list of templates for business reports. Pick the one you like. I think this one looks great, so I'm going to select it. Now the template opens in the Vengage editor. This is where we can start customizing it. First, I'll delete this logo and adjust the text at the top to make it look just right. Make sure to adjust everything correctly and align the text neatly. Next, let's change the font. I like using Roboto, so I'll switch to that, and I'll increase the font size up to 15. I'll do the same for all the subheadings to keep everything consistent. For the main heading, I'm going to change the font to Poppins, just makes it look a little more polished. Now, let's change the color of the whole report to match my style. First, let's change the background rectangle color. Go to the color settings and select a color that suits your design. This one looks good. Next, let's change the color of the text boxes. This color complements the background well, so I'll apply the same color to all the boxes. Finally, let's change the color of the main heading. It looks much better now. If you're not happy with the chart, don't worry, you can change its style. Just go to the top menu and you'll find plenty of chart styles to choose from. You can choose a donut chart, bar chart, or any other chart you prefer. There are plenty of options available. To update the chart data, all you have to do is double-click it. An Excel sheet will pop up on the right side, and you can change the numbers there. Do the same for any other charts you want to update. I'll go ahead and change this chart as well. This chart isn't working for me, so I'm going to switch it out. And I'm also not feeling this theme color, so I'm going to change that too. Okay, now it's looking much better. Once you're happy with everything, just hit download and grab your final report. You can download your report by clicking the download button or the green share button available at the top. And that's it. This is how you can easily create business reports in Vengage and sell them on marketplaces with a good profit margin. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this tool. To access it, check the description box below.